Alright guys, here we go. Probably my last break for tonight. Subterfuge box break number 1577. Yeah, I hear you, Ray. Do the same thing. There we go. Datsu's got a black eye. I'm gonna do the random. It might not even sell tomorrow. It could be the next day. Here's our players. Jack and Aaron got the most of the teams, and Ed in this one. One. Guys. Two. If you like the auction too. One. Three. I gotta buy a bunch of cards in the morning. Stock up because I'm gonna do a big holiday mixer. It's gonna be posted sometime. So, Aaron on the top and Ed on the bottom. There's the teams 3 times. Whoa. 2. Oh, I missed it. I hate the Windows button. And 3. Aaron got Pittsburgh. Who's got Edmonton? Who got Edmonton? Edmonton is Jack. Nice, Jack. Aaron Pittsburgh. Jack Islanders and Sharks. Ed Lightning. Aaron Caps. Jack Buffalo. Jeff, you got the Nucks. Ed Ducks and Panthers. Bob, you got Colorado. Not bad. Aaron Habs, Preds, Coyotes. Jack Calgary. Josh Philly. Jack Chicago. Aaron Boston and the Wild and Jets. Jack Oil. Canes and Jackets. Aaron got the Blues. And yeah, that's twice in a row, isn't it? Jack Dallas. Aaron my Leafs and Kings. Only my Leafs. Somebody else's Kings. Chucky got Aaron's Devils. Jack got the Ottawa Senators. Ed got Detroit and the Rangers. So there we go. Ed, you got your Rangers. Couple minutes for trades. It's kind of late, so we're not going to need too much. And then we'll break that.